Alex, can you get him?
Here is
Don't get too close.
the couple. Happy 50th wedding anniversary, Mommy and Daddy. And here is who is at your anniversary dinner.
Let me
Let's go.
Andy, let me
Oh,
get it.
I didn't bring the...
Okay, that's enough. Judy.
That's got
Hi,
the camera
Judy.
and the
Are you video?
I thought of that when I Andy.
That's enough.
About the camera.
Hi, Walker. Cute smile. Hi, Kara. Hello. Hi, Annika. Hi, sweetheart. Okay, that's enough, Andy. Robert. Hello.
Susie? All right.
Don't worry, I won't go that way. Okay. Where? How are you out? There you are. Hi, Lori. Hello.
Kristen, what's he doing?
I seem to be missing some boys here.
Guys, come on. Okay, guys, put your... There you go.
There he is. Hi, Jack.
Hi.
Alex, Andy.
There is Andy.
You're the oldest. You need to set it.
I know.
Alex, be a leader. Hi, Alex.
No.
Hi. Okay, well, that was Alex. Hi, Gavin. Gavin. Hi. Hi. Spencer.
Say hi, Grandma and Grandpa.
Hi.
Hi, Grandma and Grandpa. Happy anniversary.
Brian Keever. Can you get this little boy here? Preston. Preston. Hi, baby.
Point. Wave. Can you wave?
Can you say hi? Hi.
Great wave.
And last but not certainly least, Scott.
Dean.
Scott
Sokol.
Dean Sokol.
Yeah.
Sort of, kind of.
Yeah, exactly. Scott Disick.
All right, we got the whole team. Look at everybody here. Are you gonna say something?
Nope.
Oh. Oh, we have pictures. Perfect.
Show the picture of us 50 years ago.
Oh.
Let's see this. Let's get video of this.
Well, let me get it right. This is the front.
Are your eyes shut?
Make sure you get the right.
Why don't they have...
Start back
It's back a ways. It's
Why
after we're
are
married.
they in that order?
It's in the order of how it was
Getting
planned.
ready for
Yeah.
the wedding. Keep going.
Okay, all right.
Wow.
There's the back view. Oh, yeah, you see.
I don't think, yeah.
There, okay.
Let's see.
The one I'm thinking of.
Is it glary?
No, it's not too bad.
He did have his eyes open and a smile.
Look at that.
So it started after that.
Can I see?
I think so.
Get to see.
There's the one we put.
That's actually a good picture of me. Here.
Let's see. Let's really get that then.
Take a movie of me. Ready? Okay, are you ready?
Before and
There we
after?
go.
Before and after.
Hasn't changed a bit.
It hasn't changed a bit. Love it.
Can
Yeah.
I see the
They
picture?
still look just like
And I was sick. I was sick then.
You were sick?
I was sick.
With what? A cold?
I had just gotten over the flu, and a doctor gave me antibiotic for it, and I had a bad reaction from the antibiotic, so it was a double whammy.
So maybe that antibiotic is what you need
go
the
back.
smiles.
Hey, the antibiotic cured the virus I have that keeps me from smiling. See here?
You want to have your dad in there?
No, not really. Oh, there,
There,
yeah.
that's
So
That's the one we know.
order.
That's the one we know. That's the one we know.
Now, zoom up.
I'm bending this.
Yeah, there's Judy.
Let's do a before and after of Judy.
Yeah, okay, Judy.
with the hair across. I don't know why they did that. Yeah. With some fancy hairdo. That was so stupid.
Judy. Very cool. I'm so glad you brought those.
And we got the little ones, so we'll start one here. You can start looking if you want, and then when you get sick of it, just pass it to me.
Oh, we're already sick of it.
I'm watching the kid.
Oh, he's already sick of it?
No, he's watching Preston.
Oh, no, he's not watching. Grandma's gone, so he's off duty right now.
Hello.
You gonna climb up? Is that what you're gonna do? Okay.
Hey, where's my clothes?
Now I got you.
Hey. Gotta get it on the other side. Like vegetables. The other side, if you don't get salad.
What are you doing with that straw? I don't want to know.
They don't really, you never seen that?
I've never seen this part.
You're kidding.
900? 900 inside. Or should we one and pair it with everything?
Did you celebrate Pi Day this year? Hi. Yes. I got 3 pieces of pie. Oh, yeah. The actual cracker. Post these on
Or not Chloe, or
There's Gary, David, and
Yeah. Hi, buddy.
Diane.
Yeah.
I couldn't think of
Flower
her.
girl.
Diane.
She was 5 years. She was Spencer's age when we got married.
those are theirs.
All right, everybody say bye.
Bye.
Oh, look at Preston is waving by.
Bye-bye. See you later.